I always give you a little sight outlook on Indian Trace, and thanks for tuning in. I've got to document some artifacts. Across the way, we're looking at Beaver Point. What a day! And as you can see across the way here, a couple little fellas are over here, family friends still, and I knew we'd probably have a stellar day. I mean, wait till you see some of this stuff right here. Unbelievable. Ancient Indian artifacts that we've been finding. And look at this piece. I just figured I'd just go ahead and film this and get some of this stuff on the film, because that's looking like the top. And I took down here and I moved a little. I said, "Oh, I think the whole thing is moving." So we'll check on that in a second. But look at this as a tour of materials, as I always do. I mean, look at this piece right here. Thin to the wind, this piece. And some of this other stuff that just didn't catch the film. It was raining lightly. But take a look at some of this stuff, the way it's constructed. Some great artifacts. Might rain again, I can sort of feel it. But it's been good to have some friends here from Georgia, and they were able to find some North American Indian artifacts. Just happy about that. Nice base. I mean, look at this thing. So all in all, a piece of pottery in the middle and a couple pieces with the tip missing. Nothing wrong with that. Some great stuff, though, altogether. Whew, just look at that. Right? Nice point here. But let's check this thing out, because it was moving. Alright. Oh, see the bottom there? I didn't check it, I didn't clean it, but it moved, and that's because it had to have a tip or something behind it. Don't find too many Schneiders, but this point looks just fine. I can already tell it's missing a little off the ear, but that's a nice looking point, worth getting all this stuff on film. Look at that piece. Just a little off the ear. Look at that, new break. No big deal. No big deal when you had a stellar day and just a great tip to find. Nice artifact. I'm probably going to go ahead and seed this to those friends who came up all the way. And like a lot of these, but just a great artifact to find right there. Whew. You're looking at just the ground. Sorry, I was cleaning it. Anyway, that's going to go great right there. I'll just put it right there on all the others. But look at all this great Indian artifact stuff. Close in, close quarters. And taking a look at it all, that's just some really great Indian trace. Appreciate you tuning in.